Welcome to our channel. Take out your black marker and draw the telephone. Draw the telephone handset first. Connect the dots. Drawing the body of a telephone. The two legs of the phone. Drawing a super large circle. Draw a small circle in the center. Start drawing the dialing code 12,345,678. Drawing the dialing pointer. Wow, long phone lines. Adding a lace pattern to the handset. Now the short answer pattern is complete. Let's get started on the bold. Done, great. Now for the color. Light yellow. Pink. Purple. Green. Light yellow. Red.